My name is Jackson Osman. I'm from Canada, Ontario. I picked track 1 for the Almeida Hacks competition. What is this app? This app is a volunteer search engine to view Canadian volunteer opportunities. This is built for Canadian students and youth, as well as college or university students looking to expand their experiences through volunteer service. My app filters by interest, region, age, whether it's remote, a basic search bar, as well as why this opportunity was recommended. This solves the problem of how hard it is to find volunteer service opportunities in Canada that meet your interests. As I'm still a high school student myself, and I find that everyone I've met throughout high school always just settled and never really looked for volunteer opportunities that met their interests. They just tried to get the requirement to graduate and never felt connected to the nonprofit. My app is designed to create a solution with this problem in mind. My front end features. I built my front end using React and TypeScript with Vite as a clean, responsive UI with a master detail layout. My UI features are live search and filters, selectable research results list, a detail panel with a company link, handles loading and error states, and a query string URL. My backend is built with .NET SDK, V10, as well as Apps Core. It fetches data from Volunteer Connector's API, which lacks any sort of filtering, and it caches and preloads upon startup. It fetches data and logs it via the console. It has manual filtering and matching logic. It caches results for performance improvement and has a 3-hour TTL. It also avoids repeated API calls and has a concurrency cap using SemMore Slim, as well as thread-safe aggregation lock. Now let's get to my demo. I've already launched it for time's sake. It provides a list of up to 15 volunteer opportunities, and it changes depending on what filters you have. Say if you pick programming and tech and look for web development, you get web designer, administrator, software developer, and other features. You can also search by province, say Alberta, and 13 plus. And it gives you all the results matching your filters. There's also a small counter at the top just to track your volunteer service hours. This saves to your local drive as there is no account creation. There's also the link querying at the top for bookmarks. And now let's look at my error handling. See if the backend isn't running. See, it's shut it down. There is an error pop-up telling you to retry and that the server is down. Failed to fetch opportunities. And it will not work until the backend is run again. This is my console logging here that I talked about earlier. And that's it. It's